We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone camera not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a really annoying and frustrating problem when your iPhone camera isn't working and has a black screen. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So let's go and get started. Now you may find that it's got a black camera in the camera app on the iPhone itself, or perhaps when you're trying to go and use the camera in an app, screen is then black and it's not working. So we're going to guide you through different fixes depending upon where it's happening. But it's definitely worth just watching this full video so you go and know them. Without any further ado, let's get started. So where you're finding the camera screen is black, whether it's in the camera app or it's in an app, what you want to try doing is restarting it. So what you can do is you can go and drag up from the bottom like so, release, and then you can go and swipe up on it like so, and that'll go and close it, whether it's the camera app or whether it's the app you're trying to use the camera in. Reopen it up, and sometimes just doing a relaunch like that can go and solve the problem. Hopefully it does. Now, if you find that it doesn't and it still isn't working and it's got a black screen, what we can try doing is the next fix. And for that, we're going to try doing a restart. This can go and refresh things and we'll hopefully go and solve it. So what you need to do is you want to go and find the volume increase, press it, then press the volume decrease, and then go and press the side button. Now keep this held down. You can go and see there that it says slide to power off, and you want to go and keep it held down. Shortly it's going to go black. You can see that there. Keep it held down though. We'll go and say when to release it. You go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. And it's now going to go and start again. Go and wait. And hopefully when it comes back on, things will go and have refreshed and it'll go and be working. As you can see, it's now gone and come back on. Enter in your password like so. And now what we need to do is we need to go and open up the camera, whether it's the camera app or whether it was an app you're trying to use it in, and hopefully it'll work. Now, if you're still finding that it isn't working in a specific app, we need to make sure that that app has got the permissions for that. So you can go and open up the settings app. You want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security. And then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for camera. And you want to make sure that it's got the permission here and it's switched on. Now, perhaps the app's missing from the list or something is still not working. If that's the case, come back to your main settings and you want to scroll down and find the option for general, scroll down and find the option for transfer or reset iPhone and tap there. And you can press reset at the bottom. And what you can do is go and press reset location privacy. Tap that there, enter in your passcode to go and confirm this. After you go and do this, you then want to try opening up the app where you want to use the camera and try using the camera. And you should then go and get prompted to go and give permission, and make sure you go and give it permission for the camera, and that'll hopefully go and solve it. So that's it. Of course, this may seem obvious, but if it still isn't working, do just go and inspect it and make sure there's nothing over it, but just make sure it's definitely not blocked as well. That's it. Hope to help this video, you managed to go and solve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.